In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your operating system from Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you're already using Windows 10, you don't need an ISO file or a bootable fast drive. You can do it directly through Windows Update, and here's how. First, click on the search menu and type Update, and then click on Check for Updates. Before upgrading, you'll need to make sure your system is eligible. On the update page, you'll see a section called Installing Windows 11 on eligible devices. This will guide you on whether your PC supports Windows 11 or not. To confirm, you can also download the official PC Health Check app. This application will scan your device and tell you if your system meets the requirements. If your PC is eligible, you'll eventually see a notification saying your device is ready for Windows 11. When that appears, just click Download and Install. The upgrade will begin, and don't worry, your personal files and applications will stay safe. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.